What we have right here is the dashboard of my WordPress blog. So once I log in, it's going to take me to WP admin. And the thing that people need to realize is that WordPress is the biggest CMS in the world, the biggest content management system in the world. And a lot of people, they like to make fun of PHP developers, the PHP programming language. Well, guess what? WordPress is written in PHP. Yes, correct. The biggest CMS in the world. So PHP is a great language, a great programming language. Even in 2025, you should learn it. So here's the dashboard, WP admin, and so let's. Yeah, tons of comments, but most of them are like spam comments. So right here, you can add a post. You can look at So you can add a post, you can look at all your posts, you can look at your categories, you have your pages, you have your comment queue, all sorts of stuff. Here's your settings. You have your general settings, writing, reading. So those are your WordPress settings right there. And the great thing about WordPress is you can add plugins that add to the overall functionality of your blog. And here's the thing, if you're into freelancing, WordPress development, people need WordPress developers. I guarantee you, there's so many different opportunities. You can build WordPress plugins and sell them. There's all sorts of opportunities with WordPress and WordPress development. So yes, even now in 2025. So this is the dashboard. Right here are my recently published blog posts. But then of course, this dashboard, you can customize this as well. Going up here, where do you go? I think it's screen options. Yes, you just go to screen options, so you can customize your dashboard as well. And what you can also do is see, here's the thing, by default, all your plugins, there's a thing called a plugin editor. So by default, that plugin editor, you can access that and you can get to like different plugins and you can check out the source code and stuff by default, but you don't want to have that. You don't want that. You don't want that by default. So there's a plugin that you can use that doesn't give like people with bad intentions the ability to actually go into your WordPress blog and your editor and all that stuff and mess around with the source code and stuff with your plugins and stuff like that. So there's a plugin for that. I forgot what it's called, but so let's just kind of navigate. So far, I've published 154 posts and 4 pages, and I actually need to install Ask Commit so that a lot of those spammy comments get actually filtered out. But I need to get like some sort of API key and stuff to get that installed. I should have had that installed a long time ago, to tell you the truth. But most of the comments are spam comments, just like from bots and stuff like that. But let's see. Yeah. So it's very, very simple, user friendly for beginners. If you want to add a post, you just go right there to add post. And here's your editor. You can add a category. You can save a draft. Very, very user friendly. And of course, I have the Yoast plugin installed. That's for SEO, so you can SEO optimize your blog posts. And it'll give you a score. It'll give you a readability score. It'll tell you if your SEO is good or not. So you just plug in your keyword phrase right there, whatever keyword you're trying to target. Put it in there and press save draft, and then it'll tell you what you need to do. Oh yeah, once again, people, they hate those React developers. They're script kiddies. Guess what? This WordPress editor, if I'm correct, was built in React. But yeah, they're just script kiddies. They don't know how to code, those React developers. Well, this actual editor was written in React.js. So yeah, don't make fun of them. But all sorts of things you can do. Even like right here, I can make this blog post private so that you have to actually have a password to actually see this blog post, but usually it's just made available to the public, and that will be by default once you press the publish button. So there you go. Really, really user friendly. If you're just getting started out, just go with WordPress, buy you some hosting. I like Bluehost. Bluehost, you're spending about $200 a year, and you're covered for the year. And Bluehost is reliable, and you can install WordPress within just like a few clicks. So it's pretty easy to install. So you're looking at $200 a year. So there you go. Check out the link under the video.